Are you looking to get a water feature at your home? Great. Check out this water feature we did, me and about 100 other Aquascape certified contractors. We built this water feature for a mountain lion at a bush wildlife sanctuary in Jupiter, Florida. We did this so the mountain lion can go in and refresh himself whenever he wants. The next pond build will be in Six Flags Nursery, Longwood. Like and subscribe for more water feature projects. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you rate this project from 1 through 10?